Integrated knowledge. Hello, welcome to your lesson. Today, you will learn how to mix the information you already knew. Clothes, colors, outdoor activities, and weather. Pay attention, because after you see how it is done, it will be your turn to do it yourself. Here you have a text. This text has questions and answers, and it is recreating a conversation. So, I'm going to read it for you. What are we going to do next weekend? We are going camping. We need to prepare our things. What clothes do we need? We need clothes for cold weather. Take some jeans and brown boots, a pink sweater and a blue jacket, also white winter hats and gloves. Do you need a scarf? Yes, I do. Take the red one, please. What activities are we going to do there? We can play soccer and football, and we can ride horses. The weather in that place is snowy and cold. Sometimes it's also windy. Now we are going to read a text, and this is something as a very short story. So pay attention to the way it is written, because you will have to write one when we finish. When we go camping in a mountain, I like to wear my blue jeans with a warm sweater and a black jacket. Sometimes I wear gloves and a scarf with sunglasses. I like to play with balls, sometimes soccer or football. I also like canoeing in a lagoon. I like going camping where the weather is cold and windy. My sister always takes her tent, sleeping bags, and ropes because she likes hiking. We start a campfire when it gets dark and fry sausages and marshmallows. When we are camping, we love singing songs and telling jokes around the fire. I take my fishing pole because I love fishing. We love camping. Now, fíjate la manera en la que está escrito este texto. Es tu turno de unir todo lo que has aprendido para generar un texto similar. Utiliza un lugar diferente, actividades diferentes y la ropa y los accesorios que debes de llevar para ese lugar. Usa el que más te guste. Puedes ir a la playa, puedes ir a una ciudad y puedes llevar cualquier cosa que consideres necesaria para ese viaje. Trata de seguir los pasos que ves en el texto y envíalo a la plataforma para que sea evaluado. That's all for today. Good luck. Bye bye.